Wild rice and mushroom burger recipe. Time 30 minutes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons 14 grams ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters vegetable oil, 2 red onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 3 cups 300 grams cremini, mushrooms finely diced, 1/3 cup 40 grams walnuts finely chopped, 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters sodium reduced soy sauce, half a tablespoon 7 grams ground cumin, 1 teaspoon 4 grams ground coriander optional, 1 cup 190 grams cooked brown wild rice, 1 cup 90 grams breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon 7 grams nutritional yeast optional, 1½ cups 115 grams cooked brown lentils, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters ketchup, fresh ground pepper to taste, sriracha mayo, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters vegan mayo, 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters sriracha hot sauce toppings, avocado, arugula, tomato slices. Directions: 1. In a large mixing bowl, add the ground flax seeds with 1/4 cup 60 milliliters water. Set aside to gel. 2. To a large pan, add the oil, onions and garlic and sauté on high heat until lightly golden, about 5 minutes, adding a splash of water as needed to deglaze the pan. 3. Then add the mushroom and walnuts, and cook until most of the moisture has evaporated, about 5 to 8 minutes. Add the soy sauce, cumin, and coriander and continue to cook until all the moisture is evaporated. 4. Meanwhile, add the lentils to the same bowl as the flax seeds and mash best you can using an immersion blender, potato masher or fork. To the lentils, add the mushroom mixture, rice, breadcrumbs, nutritional yeast, ketchup, and pepper. Using your hands, combine until fully mixed and form into burger patties. 5. In a large frying pan over medium heat, add a bit of vegetable oil and cook patties until golden on each side, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. 6. While the burgers are cooking, combine the sriracha and mayo in a small bowl. 7. Toast the burger buns if desired and slice up desired vegetables. 8. When the patties are ready, assemble your burger. Note: storage: keep patties in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.